All right, we're out here, Colorado River, getting some fishing in. Let's see how this footage turns out this time. So far, no bites. I don't know how well we can see this later, but yeah, no bites. All right, we're getting bites. We are getting bites. Well, now he's feeling small. Yeah. Smaller than the last one. Yeah. No, that was a good size. So yeah, wait till he chills out, and there you go. There we go. This one's just long.
Yeah, it looked like it was really different for a little bit.
Yeah. I can get him off right here. Got him. Okay. There we go. Nice catfish. Number 2.